Welcome back to the channel, and don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more updates. Today we are diving into an exciting tutorial how to create dreamy backgrounds with the help of smart filters in Photoshop. Open your image in Photoshop, then convert background layer into a smart object and also apply filter and increase blur amount on background. Now add a second point for mid-ground softness. Apply a smart filter, mask blur from main subject areas and add glow using Gaussian blur. Change glow mode to screen. Adjust blur radius for smooth transitions and combine with color lookup filters. Tweak each filter anytime. Lower opacity if too strong. Compare